Earning money by watching ads online might sound like a dream come true, but it is as real as you make it to be. We've got a simple and effective method that can help you make $2.49 per minute. So if you're looking to boost your income from the comfort of your own home, then BusinessMind has got you covered. Let's get started. The money-making machine. We're going to focus on a specific website today that offers you a platform to earn money by watching ads. The website we'll be exploring is cashvib.com. Cashvib.com is a user-friendly platform that allows you to earn varying amounts of money for watching different ads. This means you can earn as much as 46 cents, 57 cents, or even 62 cents for each ad you watch, depending on the specific ad and the advertiser's offer. It's a simple and straightforward process, and we'll walk you through it step by step. Let's take a closer look at how you can maximize your earnings with cashvib.com. Earnings potential. Now, let's talk about the exciting earnings potential with this method. While the amount you earn per ad may vary, the key to achieving that impressive $2.49 per minute lies in the efficiency of the process. By consistently watching ads on cashvib.com that offer higher payouts, you can certainly earn a substantial income. For instance, if you were to watch ads that pay 62 cents each, and you can complete 4 of these in a minute, you'd already be making $2.48. With just a little more effort, you can easily reach or exceed that $2.49 mark. This is what makes it such a lucrative opportunity. Your earnings are directly linked to the number of ads you can watch in a minute, and the rate at which you can access higher-paying ads. In the next segment, we'll provide some tips and tricks to maximize your earnings and make this method work for you. Optimizing your earnings. One strategy that some individuals employ to maximize their earnings through platforms like cashvib.com is creating multiple accounts. This approach allows you to watch more ads simultaneously, significantly increasing your potential earnings. However, it's important to note that this strategy can be against the terms of service of some platforms and might lead to the suspension or banning of your accounts if detected. To create multiple accounts while staying within the platform's rules, some users use temporary email addresses. Websites like tempmail.org provide temporary, disposable email addresses that can be used to register additional accounts without revealing your primary email address. This can help you diversify your earning sources and avoid any potential issues with account limitations. Referral program. Now let's talk about another exciting aspect of cashvib.com, the referral program. This program offers you an opportunity to boost your earnings even further by inviting others to join the platform. Here's how it works. For every person who signs up using your unique referral link, you can earn $1. This means that not only can you make money by watching ads, but you can also earn additional income by referring friends, family, or even your online network to cashvib.com. It's a win-win situation. You get to increase your earnings while helping others discover this fantastic earning opportunity. So, as you explore this method of earning money online, don't forget to take advantage of the referral program to maximize your earnings and share the benefits with others. It's a great way to make your online income journey even more rewarding. Promoting. On Facebook, to make the most of the cashvib.com referral program, think of it as the bread of your earnings journey, and Facebook as the butter that can elevate your results. Leveraging Facebook groups related to making money online can be a game changer. Here's a step-by-step strategy to maximize your referrals. Start by joining Facebook groups that are centered around making money online. Seek out communities with active members genuinely interested in online income opportunities. Being in the right groups is crucial for your strategy. Once you're a part of these groups, focus on active participation. Share your insights, experiences, and build your credibility within the community. Becoming a trusted member will make your posts more influential. Create informative posts that share your personal experience with cashvib.com. Highlight how you've earned money through watching ads and engaging with the referral program. People tend to trust recommendations from fellow group members. Include your unique referral link in your posts. Emphasize that others can benefit from this opportunity by signing up through your link, where they can earn $1 for each referral. This incentive can entice more people to join through your link. Engage with users who express interest or have questions about CashVib.com. Being responsive to comments and private messages can provide guidance and answers, ultimately convincing potential referrals to sign up. In your promotion efforts, it's vital to maintain transparency and honesty. Sharing your authentic success story with CashVib.com will resonate with others and help you attract more referrals while upholding your credibility within these online communities. By combining the power of the referral program and your Facebook promotional strategy, you can increase your earnings and spread the word effectively. Withdrawal methods. CashVib.com offers a variety of convenient withdrawal options to help you access your earnings. These methods include PayPal, Skrill, Pay, Western Union, and Google Play gift cards. You can choose the one that best suits your preferences and easily access the money you've earned through this platform. Having multiple withdrawal options ensures flexibility in managing your earnings according to your needs and preferences. However, it's important to note that there are specific withdrawal limits in place. The minimum withdrawal limit stands at $70, meaning you can request a payout once you've reached this threshold. Additionally, there's a maximum daily withdrawal limit of $100. These limits are put in place to ensure a fair and secure process for all users. Be mindful of these limits as you manage your earnings on the platform. The Business Mind Verdict. In conclusion, we've explored an exciting opportunity to earn money online by watching ads through CashVib.com. By leveraging this platform, you can potentially earn $2.49 per minute with dedication and strategy. We've covered the variety of ads that offer different earnings, the referral program, and the power of promoting on Facebook to maximize your income. In the world of online earning, consistency is the key to success. Whether you're watching ads, utilizing the referral program, or promoting your unique referral link on Facebook, the key to maximizing your earnings is to maintain a consistent effort by consistently engaging with the platform and applying the strategies we've discussed. You'll be well on your way to achieving your income goals. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that lead to significant results in the long run. So, stay committed, keep watching those ads, and don't underestimate the power of consistency in boosting your earnings. As you embark on your online income journey, remember to be ethical and transparent in your approach. Always ensure that you follow the platform's rules and guidelines. With the right strategy and dedication, you can turn those minutes into dollars and boost your income from the comfort of your own home. And there you have it. We've explored the magnificent power of earning money online through CashVib.com, the unbelievable machine that turns ads to cash. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.